up, superstar? This is Wesley billion dollar virgin with another video, and I'm going to show you how to draw lines. Okay, now listen. What if it was a website that would pay you to draw simple lines on your computer screen? Okay, listen. All you need is a computer or your iPhone or your Galaxy phone, and you can do this. And guess what? You can be a teenager, you could be older, you could be at home with no job right now, and this site will pay you hundreds of dollars every single day just to draw simple lines. Now listen, these are the rules of engagement. Listen, you must take action, which means if you don't do it, it won't work. Rule number 2, make sure that you listen to every word I say in the video, because it's going to be a very step-by-step tutorial, because I don't want you to miss a beat and I want you making money now. Rule number 3, you must believe that you can do this. As a matter of fact, in the comment section below, listen, right, I can do this. Listen, all success is mindset, which means you must believe that you can use this technique that your friend Wesley Virgin is going to show you right here in this video here, okay? Are you ready? And let's go. So the site is basically flaticon.com. Brand new strategy I've been using. I tried it out. It worked. I got paid a couple $100 using it here. And listen, let me show you how easy it is. It's basically Flaticon. It's a website where people leave these emojis here and they just get paid for them, right? Over and over and over again here. Listen, and the great thing about this, step number 1, you need to click on the button that says become a contributor. Don't click on pricing. Why? Because you're not going to buy anything. What you're going to do is draw the lines, create this information that I'm going to show you these cool sites for free to do this on. You're going to become a contributor here, okay? So what you want to do is click on become a contributor here. And as you can see here, look, become a contributor and change the world designing icons. That's all you're doing. And listen, as long as you listen to the very end, I'm going to show you some sites. These are some backdoor techniques to make it much easier. You don't have to be an artist. You don't have to be a freaking Picasso. All you need to do is listen, learn, and watch to the very end of the video. Now, if you scroll down here, as you can see here, over 12 million people come to this site and they buy these freaking icons. Well, it was mind-boggling when I discovered this site. And I know what you're thinking, Wesley, are you serious? So you have 12 million people. That means if someone see my icons and download it, I make money? Yes, every single day, right? This company pays you out and it's worldwide, and I love it because it's a very simple, easy way to make money online here. So you can see the simplicity as well, the growth. You have many people that are doing this today here. So the question is, well, okay, Wesley, what do I need to do? Click join now. Do this with me, by the way. Click join now here. And as you can see, I already have an account here myself. And let's do this. Let me sign up with another account because let's start from scratch. Listen, it's up to you on how you want to get started here. Let's make up a username. Let's say billionaire, because that's my goal, right? To be a billionaire. I'm already a millionaire, but maybe your goal is millionaire. So maybe put your username as millionaire 2020 or billionaire 2021, you know, whatever. And let's put your email in here as well. This is not my real email, folks, so don't copy that, okay? Then let's put a password in here. And I'm just showing you basically how to register. You register here. They want me to put more information here. Give me 1 second here. Who's doing this with me? Who's with me? Smash the like button. Let's go! So as we can see here, I don't see any tractors here. Don't you hate these things? Right? If you keep watching some of my videos, I actually have a video that you can type in captchas like this and it will pay you. So make sure you look at that video later here, okay? So let's verify here, register. And as you can see here, CF flow, save here. Okay, great. Now make sure you read these conditions here. It's very important. Read these for yourself so you'll know what you're doing to make sure that you make money today, okay? Then accept the terms here, and then you browse through here. Listen, you don't have to fill out all this crap here. Just keep it simple here. West Virgin here. See, the great thing about it is you can be in Afghanistan, Albania, Africa, Angola, Aruba, Australia, Canada. So the things about this site, and I want you to smash the like button on this because a lot of you have asked me, Wesley, we need things in our country. This covers almost every country on the globe here. So smash the like button because I am reading those comments that you're leaving below. You're asking me questions, and thank you for leaving comments, because I look at them to create more easier videos so you can get paid now, okay? So let's say Hungary, I don't know, right? And it's done, right? So here, this is it. You just start uploading. You click the start upload button, and bam, you're making money immediately. Now, I know what your question is. Okay, Wesley, well, how do I create these icons? Where do I get it from? Listen, go to the site right here. You're gonna go to iconfinder.com. Go there right now, please. Iconfinder.com. And listen, you don't have to pay for any money. I know you see these starter plans and you don't have to pay a dime. Listen, this is free, and I promise you free videos. So guess what? Listen, it's free. Scroll down to the bottom, right? Go to icon editor, okay? Launch the editor on your computer, and you're here. And all you do is you go here and you just create whatever you want. You can make an X here, right? You know, you can make whatever type of icon that you want here. And I'm gonna show you at the end of the video how to make appealing icons and where to go to get that done, basically, so you can make sure that you get paid, right? Because I know what you're thinking. Well, are you telling me, Wesley, if I just draw lines and make something weird, people will buy it? Yes, it's crazy. Remember, 12 million people go to that site and they download this stuff every day, and they have subscriptions, and they pay you every single day. Okay, so check it out. So say if I made that, you know, let me delete this. Let's make something cool. Let's make a W right here. And the crazy part is they're gonna pay me for this, right? They're gonna pay me money just to basically draw this little icon here, right? Let's make a W here. Boom. Then you click the button that says download icon, and you can make an SVG vector here. Boom, boom, boom. Right? It's there. You say that to your computer, and then you just upload it to the site here. See how easy that was? Now, how many of you think that you can do this right now? Okay, how many of you can do this? And this is what's great about this site. This is where all your stats are. And this is a brand new account. You gotta make sure you upload your valid ID as well, right? And this is where your money comes in. And right here is where you upload all your icons over and over. Now, understand this. Listen, it must be between 20 to 50 icons per pack, okay? I will tell you to make sure you read the terms and conditions on this, but listen, it's so simple to do. So many people are doing this site, and they're downloading, and they're getting paid every single day. You have to see yourself getting paid just by uploading icons over and over again, okay? Now, just as promised, I said that I will show you another two so you can just get this done quicker, because you might say, well, Wesley, I don't know about that icon finder site. Is there other ways to create quick icons? Because let me be honest with you. How many of you want to make quick, fast money right now? Smash the like button. Go ahead. I'm waiting. Okay, so I thought about you, okay? I thought about you. You know, you may be younger or older, and you may just want to lay back just like me in my jacuzzi in Miami and just make money online. So check it out. Scroll down to the bottom of this site and go to a link that says Patterns Generator. Now, this is powerful here. Listen close. This is crazy, right? You can basically use these emojis and you can just create the freaking patterns, right? And once you create these patterns here automatically here, right, you can do whatever you want. I would suggest to be very creative. Like, think outside the box here. This is the greatest time for you to get paid for your creativity, and you make hundreds and hundreds of dollars easily online just by clicking this little button here. Look, random pattern here. You can add things, and then once you're done, you hit the download button, and it's just going to download the pattern to your computer. Now, how cool is that? How many of you right now can do that? Listen, millions of people are buying from this website, okay? They're buying these vector icons. I showed you two ways to do it. How many of you believe that you can do this? In the comment section, say, I can do this. How many of you? Okay, I see it. All right, now check it out. Now, I get it. I know some of you right now say, Wesley, I love this and I love you. And guess what? I'm going to smash the like button for you, right? If I gave you any value, smash the like button. Sub to the channel if you want to. You don't have to, but I love you so much. I can't wait to see you soon. I can't wait to see you make all that money right now. This is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin, motivated, dedicated. Let's go. Later, folks.